Sabaidi, hello everybody. Today I'm gonna make some chow mein. A lot of people asking me to make some chow mein. Today I'm gonna make some vegetable chow mein. Okay, no meat, no nothing. Okay, and I don't put egg and nothing, just a vegetable today. If you wanna know how to make chow mein, follow me, Naly kitchen. Don't go anywhere, just stay with me. I'm gonna show you all my ingredients. This is Chinese chow mein, but I do like whatever my kids like to eat. That's why I do for you guys to see today. Okay, add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil into the bowl. Not too long. If over than that, the noodle get overcooked. Okay, take it out like this, and you add some more vegetable oil, about tablespoon, because you don't want these things stick together like this. Here, and spread them out, okay, because if you put together, this noodle gonna be stick together like this. Spread them out and make a cool down, ready to stir fry. I want you to show you how to my chow mein. The chow mein is really easy to chow mein. In here they put the vegetable oil all over, you know, and mix, you know, then not sticky. You see, it's not stick together. It's really nice, really easy. The first thing, I add some garlic. Okay, I put 2 tablespoons of oil. Then for my noodle, for my chow mein, I like to add vegetable first. Saute a little bit. Cabbage. And I add some noodle. Doesn't matter, you add the same time, you know, vegetable really easy to cook, you know. You don't need to cook that long, because I'm gonna make 2 times because my pot too small. Remember, chow mein, you don't want chow mein to stick with the pan, and you have to add some soup, you know, like the chicken broth, all those, but I don't have a chicken broth. I can add some water, you know, doesn't matter. And after that, I add some sugar, 2 teaspoons, okay, and black pepper, ½ teaspoon. This one is sweet soy sauce, sweet dark soy sauce. I add like 2 teaspoons. This is oyster sauce, 2 teaspoons. Soy sauce, I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons. Okay, then after that I mix. The last one I'm gonna add some chili oil, because I like spicy, you know. You know, sweet dark soy sauce is make color. See, I don't make a meat or chicken or pork anything. I just a vegetable chow mein. Oh my god! So oh my god! So yummy. And I'm gonna add some green onion. If you add everything enough from the beginning, it's perfect. You know, turn out really good. Okay. My God, you guys so good. Yummy. That's enough. That's enough. Sesame. When you make a chow mein, if you don't have a sesame oil, it doesn't taste good. Yummy. Add some chili oil. My son, he likes spicy. You know, I do like this because my shoulder is bothering me. That's why I can't do it anything high, you know, and too hard in my kitchen, okay, because it's really yummy and really good taste. think chow mein is done now, you guys. Okay, I'm gonna turn off the heat. Better say about you. This veggie chow mein, okay guys. No meat, no nothing, no chicken, no pork, no nothing, no shrimp. Because of my son, he like to eat like this. That's all for veggie chow mein today. Really good, really yummy, really tasty. Just follow Naly kitchen, okay? And if you like, please try some at home. And please follow Naly kitchen, like and subscribe for me. See you next video, guys. Bye bye. Have a good night. Bye bye.